Hey there guys, today we're gonna cook sarsyadong kwek-kwek. So here are the ingredients for our sarsyadong kwek-kwek. So we have quail eggs, then 1 egg, chicken egg. Then we have flour, of course the oil, yung ating cornstarch for slurry, then tomato sauce, and then we have chopped onion, minced garlic, salt and pepper. Okay guys, after natin i-mix yung ating egg, nilagyan natin ng flour, i-slurry natin. Mag-set naman tayo ng create tayo ng oil. Okay, malapit na maluto. So, mag-golden brown na yung ating coated egg. After natin finuride yung ating coated egg, pwede na tayong gumawa ng sarsa niya or sauce niya. So, for the sarsyado. So, we have the garlic and onion. So next, yung ating tomato sauce. And then, we're gonna put lalagyan na natin siya ng natin. Going to put water. And then we're gonna use lagyan natin yung egg natin, fresh egg natin. So, simmer lang natin siya for about 2 minutes. Okay. Slower down natin. Lagyan na natin siya ng konting black pepper. Then, salt. There you go. Pwede na natin ilagay yung ating we go. Luto ng ating sarsyadong kwek-kwek.